And welcome to the introduction video for a series of tutorials that I'll be doing where I'll be showing you how to write a program in Java that can solve a 2-variable and 3-variable equation. And it will have a GUI so that it just looks nice. So I'll show you how the finished product looks like. So you'll get this, it's a tabbed pane, it says 2-variable, then you enter coefficient of x here, coefficient of y equals some constant, then coefficient of another x, or well the same x but different equation, so plus coefficient y equals different constant, or the same. So then same thing here for 3-variable, only difference is that there are 3 equations obviously, because it's a 3-variable equation. So, well actually let's keep that open. So let's just look at an example so that you know that I'm not like tricking you and just wasting your time. So I went to this website tutorial.math.lamar.edu just to check if my program worked. So they have an example of an equation here, 3x minus y, and negative numbers, or negative 1 is minus y, equals 7. And then we have 2x plus 3y equals 1. Click for answer. You get x equals 2, y equals negative 1. So if we check, they go through like a, just teach you how to solve it. And then in the end, they get x equals 2, y equals negative 1. That's what we got. So that works. So now let's make sure that our 3-variable equation works. So I have another tab from the same website, and they have another example equation here. So let's just see what we get. So x, which is just 1x, so I'm looking at this equation, minus 2y, I'm going to put this here, minus 2y plus 3z equals 7, and then we have 5x plus no y, so just 0y, plus 5z equals 15, and negative 2x plus 0 y, because there's no y there, plus 1z, or just z, equals negative 3. Click for answer. We get x equals 2, y equals negative 1, and z equals 1. And let's look here. They show you how to solve it, blah, blah, blah. Then they get to their final answer, x equals 2, y equals negative 1, and z equals 1. So our equation works, or our program works. So that is... well, actually, I want to show you guys one more thing. So if we say that x plus y equals 2, and then x plus y equals 3, this doesn't have any solutions, so I'll tell you no solutions. And, oh yeah, actually, I keep forgetting. I want to show you another thing. So 2x plus 2y equals 2, and 2x plus 2y equals 2. Obviously, this is the same equation. We could also have said 4x plus 4y equals 4, same equation. So I'll give you an infinite amount of solutions. So infinite order pairs x and y. And that also applies for 3-variable equations well, yeah. So that is what I'll be teaching you how to make in this series. So I hope you stick around, and yeah, so I guess I'll see you in the first tutorial, where we'll be covering how to just make the GUI of the basic graphical user interface of this program. So see you guys in the next video.